Hi guys, welcome back to our channel where today we discuss the best ergonomic keyboards on the market. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Links to all the featured products are given in the description below, so please check them out. Best overall, Logitech Ergo K860. The Logitech Ergo K860 will change your typing activity. The Ergo's sleek design brings the keyboard into a modern age. No more of the hunched-over, hunt-and-peck typing of yore. First and foremost, the Ergo is exceptionally convenient to use. While with a conventional keyboard, your shoulders are located closer to your torso and your arms are straightened out, we saw that our shoulders were further apart while using the Ergo, their position more relaxed. Likewise, our arms came in at more pleasant inward angles, and our hands were resting on a surface that conformed to our finger lengths. Even after an almost 2-hour session, the result was a noticeable lack of shoulder or finger strain. An amply padded palm rest along the bottom edge matches the curvature of the keyboard, positioning your palms just above the level of the keys so your fingers lay quickly atop them. Even after hours of typing, the pressure on our palms was barely noticeable, and we didn't feel any shoulder stiffness that comes with a long time at the keyboard. The K860 is wireless, operating on 2 AAA batteries. Incorporated is a USB Bluetooth dongle that can be stored in the battery compartment. Best budget, Microsoft Ergonomic. There's a lot to admire about the Microsoft Ergonomic keyboard. However, a few differences are related to the Logitech Ergo K860. The keys take on a more traditional design and are big and boxy with little space between each letter. The Microsoft Ergonomic keyboard is also wired instead of Bluetooth, so you won't have as much versatility as you do with the Logitech. It highlights a split design that mirrors that of the K860. There's also the wave-like build with the base of the keyboard curving upward to form an arch. Like that of the K860, this curvature peaks below the keyboard split, but unlike the K860's wave, the Microsoft Ergonomic keyboard's curvature makes a sharper peak just below the spacebar. This design choice ultimately gave us a little less freedom in placing our hands on the palm rest, but otherwise did not affect comfort. However, an unfortunate result of this design choice is the formation of a concave section of keys. It doesn't give much by way of physical adjustment, but there are lots you can do with the PC-only Microsoft Mouse and Keyboard Center. Like Logitech Options, this program enables you to customize several keys to open applications and perform tasks like undo and zoom. You can even build different customizations for different applications. And our favorite part of the Microsoft Mouse and Keyboard Center was the creation of macros. A macro is a single command that can make a complex and precise set of functions. You can record a series of keyboard and mouse inputs, and even specify how long they last and perform delays within them. Best split, Cloud9 C989M. The Cloud9 C989M is the most desirable ergonomic keyboard because it has everything anyone could need in a keyboard and provides you with a supremely personal typing encounter. It enjoys high-end Cherry MX mechanical switches and extremely customizable split keyboard design, so you can place either half of the keyboard wherever and however you like. Per key backlighting, built-in tenting, and a multi-angle height adjustment system that allows you to customize the keyboard to your heart's content. It lacks conventional media controls, but it does highlight an innovative smart control wheel that can be used to modify volume, backlight brightness, or even switch applications. You can also utilize the array of macro keys to assign your preferred commands to keys within comfortable reach. The best bit though? This is a split keyboard with a conventional layout, so while you can put your hands in much more convenient typing positions, it doesn't force you to unlearn your touch typing habits. This is a pick up and type play keyboard that can truly help enhance your typing comfort. It's pricey, but the Cloud9 C989M is the best ergonomic keyboard you can purchase. Best Antimicrobial, Fellows FEL 98915. The Fellows Microband keyboard's design is ideal for an ergonomic design. The keyboard splits within the T and Y keys, with a form factor that gives a perfect angle to keep your wrists straight with your forearm. Like any Ergo keyboard, this one will take a little getting used to, but after the learning curve, you'll no longer require to bend your wrists inward to reach keys towards the center of the keyboard. It has a 16-character buffer for fast typists and offers 7 additional hotkeys for multimedia control and one-touch internet access. Another advantage is the split key, and the 3D design conforms to your natural arm and hand positions, reducing tension in shoulders, arms, and wrists. On the other hand, USB connectivity makes it compatible with a wide range of modern devices. It is a certified Vista keyboard that offers USB connectivity and is compatible with Windows 98 SE, 2000, ME, and XP compatible. It includes the built-in Microband antimicrobial protection, which fights the uncontrolled growth of damaging microbes, such as bacteria, that can cause product deterioration. Further, the continuous cleaning action helps your input devices remain cleaner for the lifetime of the product. Best for programmers. Kinesis Advantage 2. The Kinesis Advantage 2 is cheap, but it's a favorite wired keyboard amongst programmers who are fond of deeply sculpted, broadly separated key wells. It might look unusual, and honestly, it is unusual, but it is a little different than a conventional split keyboard in principle. In addition to a slight angle, though, the keys are so broadly separated to better accommodate the distance within your arms. Kinesis claims that the concave shape is comfortable. The keyboard places a handful of utility and modifier keys like the spacebar, Control, Enter, and Alt outside the wells, where your thumbs easily access them. This keyboard uses Cherry MX Brown mechanical switches that feature a low activation force, tactile feedback, and are rated for 50 million key presses for unmatched durability. The 10-keyless layout with embedded keypad results in a smaller footprint for closer mouse placement. Its integrated palm supports and cushioned palm pads promote natural wrist position, reducing harmful wrist extension. Additionally, you can program exclusively with the onboard programming shortcuts or launch the no-install Smart Set programming app. Further, plug and play on all USB operating systems with no special drivers to install and no software to download.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.